Hi, welcome to TunesKit. Are you experiencing a bit of lag after the iOS 26 update? In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to fix iPhone performance lag and speed it up again safely. Method 1. Restart and clear background tasks. Restarting your iPhone helps close unnecessary processes and gives your device a fresh start. Method 2. Disable background app refresh. Similar to what happens on computers when several programs are running at the same time, your iPhone can also slow down when several apps are running in the background. To solve it, cleaning up background programs is one aspect, but more importantly, you can set your iPhone to run certain apps even if they aren't open. Go to Settings General and find Background App Refresh. Turn it off completely or choose Wi-Fi only. Then disable apps like social media that constantly refresh in the background. This reduces resource usage. Method 3. Reduce motion and transparency. Go to Accessibility, Motion, then enable Reduce Motion, which can improve responsiveness on older devices. And then go back to Display and Text Size. Tap Reduce Transparency. Method 4. Use TunesKit iOS System Recovery. If all of the methods above are not working, you can try the third-party repair tool, TunesKit iOS System Recovery, to fix your problem. TunesKit iOS System Recovery is a comprehensive iOS system repair tool that can fix more than 180 iOS issues. Moreover, it can solve your problem in one click without any data loss. Connect your iPhone to PC, then click iOS System Repair, choose Standard Repair Mode. This mode will not cause any data loss. Wait for a while until the process is complete, and your iPhone will be running smoothly in no time. Method 5. Reset settings. Sometimes, system settings and configurations from previous versions of iOS may not be fully compatible with the new update. Resetting the settings can eliminate these configuration issues. Choose Reset. Reset all settings. Method 6. Free up storage space. A nearly full storage can also make your iPhone lag. Delete unused apps, clear large media files, or back them up to iCloud. Okay, that's all. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. See you in the next video.